going to go to the police station to get a police clearance report. Welcome to a new episode of how I get my hair to fit on the tiny wigs, my long as hair. Now, the reason why I'm doing this video is because I got a question from a friend on WhatsApp, and he was like, how did I get my hair to fit under the tiny wig that I was wearing? And I explained it to him, but I think it's going to be better for me to illustrate it in a video. So first step is maybe doing cornrows, or if you have single braids like this or mini twists, you can put them into pigtails like this. Then first step would be to like hook the pigtails or the tails of the braids into my hair like this, just like this. Then grab a wig cap and use it to secure the braids or to secure your hair, just like this. This is what it looks like from the front. I actually ordered this wig cap in light brown. It looked light brown when I was placing the order online, and it clearly said light brown because I am light brown, but as you can see, it is given very much Caucasian. Now these are the specifications of this wig. This is a customized closure that it was customized to fit my hair. It was inspired by Anita Baker and Halle Berry because I think they look absolutely beautiful when they have short hair, really short hair. So I wanted something that came blonde, and wigs like this are not easy to find in the store, or maybe they are and I just didn't have the patience, so I just got it customized to fit my own hair and my own head and my own preferences. I am going to be applying this to the wig for some shine. This is a hair polish. I don't know what the name is because this is not even the original container. I am just using this to hold the product because it is more compact, it is more portable, it is more travel friendly, even though it is glass. So don't worry, it looks crazy right now, but the whole thing is going to come together soon. Then I grab my brush and I brush everything out. Have to be careful. This is how everything looks. Fully secured, fully styled, fully adjusted, fully everything on them across all the boards. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like from the back. This is how it looks from the back. Hopefully you can't see any hump because of my natural hair, and I love it. Now I am going to go to the police station to get a police clearance report. As I told you in previous videos, I am getting ready for an upcoming trip and I need a PCC for that trip. So see you guys at the police station.
What I want is 2 chicken shawarma with sausage, 1 beef shawarma with sausage, then meat pie for you. So you go shop around them.
Make them, ask them to give you price.
I am pissed off, so I have to take a piss. Before I leave, I have gotten my PCC. It was sent to me in an email 2 hours after, registering for it and doing my biometric capturing. And for your PCC, if you would like to get a PCC, you need to go online. I'm going to post the name of the website that you have to go to fill in your form, submit, pay the amount, 30,000 naira, and once you get your PCC, it is valid for about 3 months. So it is very important that you get it around the time that you plan on leaving. And I couldn't film any clips in the police station because it's the police station and I do not want to go and get my character smeared in the process of acquiring my character certificate. That's it for this video, and I'm signing off here. Love you, cheers, see you in my next one. Mwah!